Hi everyone, Judy here again. Today is Tuesday. It's been one full week since I've been on keto, and today I went to the store after work hoping to buy some salmon on sale, and I did not find any that I liked. They all looked a little off to me, so instead I picked up some shrimp, and it was on sale. I think it was like $5 and really good. So what I did was I went home and I took some garlic, lemon, butter, olive oil, and I just put that on a pan on low, medium heat, more low heat than medium. Put some red chili flakes in there, also a little bit more salt, pepper, and I squeezed half a lemon. And I put the shrimp in there, and then I microwaved the bag of green beans that I bought, and that just made the prep time and cooking time so much easier. And the green beans itself were already washed and also trimmed, so I didn't have to do that part, which I always appreciate saving time. And once that was done and the shrimp was cooked, I put the green beans in with that, and it turned out to be a really delicious dinner. I might mix things up. Instead of having my salmon and asparagus, I may start having shrimp and green beans. It was like a shrimp scampi style, because I just the garlic and lemon and chili flakes and butter. It was gluttonous, and I topped it off with some Parmesan cheese, and it was good. So keep on watching the video and see how I made this meal.